How to change the favicon of your online store. That's how we're going to tackle right now. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment down below or just simply subscribe to this channel and like this video. And if you want to avail the account or the Shopify account for 3 months for just only $1, just click the link that I will leave in the description down below. So it will show like this. Start for free for $1 per month for 3 months. So let's get started. To anyone that don't know about Favicon, Favicon is a small logo that is beside your domain name. So here in Shopify, you can customize it and change it with your own preference of Favicon. So choose themes and customize. After that, you will directed in your online store that you can customize all over in these options. Here you can see favicon, but if it's not working with you, you can choose logo, then you will see this favicon. Select image, then choose image or that you want to use. The image should be 32 by 32. Choose the image and open. And after that, save, hit save, and go back to the home. After that, you can view your store, and there you go. You just change your favicon icon beside your domain name. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.